This is Peter Mowen presenting Lab 1 for Embedded Systems. In this lab, we had to write code to update these LEDs based on these switch states. Right now, the LEDs are in the reset state. None of them are on. No patterns going. If I turn on this first switch, switch 0, switch 0 is the master reset. So it doesn't matter what I do on any of these other switches, LEDs stay 0. If I turn on switch 3, a kind of random looking LED pattern goes on the LEDs as per the design specification. If I turn on switch 2, then a bar graph LED pattern happens on the LEDs as per the specification. If I turn on switch 1, it holds the LED state that it was, it holds the LEDs wherever they were whenever you flipped on the switch, and when you turn it off, it resumes the whatever pattern it was doing. If two or more of the first three, or if two or more of switch 3, 2, and 1 are on, like if I do 2 of these, it starts blinking an error pattern, just back and forth between these two things. So like if I have all 3 of these on, still blinks that error pattern. If I've just got these 2 on, still blinks that error pattern. These 2 on, still blinks that error pattern. Now just that one's on, so it's in the hold state. So it's just holding the last LED state and turning it down. So when we go back to all the switches being down, it just stays in whatever state it was in. So right now it happened to be in the error state, but if I flip up to the pattern, it'll run the pattern. If I turn this off, it just keeps running the pattern. And then the master reset turns off the LEDs, and we take it back to nothing.